This is our last example, and we are going to now use our S sub n, which is our finding the sum of our geometric series, and we're going to be using that with our equation. So what I see right here is that I've got this format that's from my first to my 10th term of 4 times 3 to the k minus 1. So I need to find my first term and my common ratio. So my first term is 4. And my common ratio is 3. I pull both of those from my equation. There is no work needed. Now, next I need to use my S sub n formula. My formula that tells me the sum of the finite geometric series, we know that because it ends with a 10 and not an infinity, that is our first term times 1 minus r raised to the term number that we're looking at over 1 minus r. The way we do this is S sub 10 equals A1 is 4. That's multiplied by 1 minus our rate, 3 to the n. N in this case is 10. That is our term we're looking at, over 1 minus 3. So I see that I've got 4 times, 3 to the 10th. That is just a very large number. So I am going to go ahead and say that this is 1 minus 3 to the 10th over negative 2. Go ahead, plug this piece into your calculator, 1 minus 3 to the 10th, divide it by 2, and then multiply it by 4. When you do that with your calculator, please go ahead and check. But you should get 118,096 for our sum of our first 10 terms. So this formula is going to help you out significantly. After all, the formula that we used in 7.1 day 2 doesn't apply for any of these. So this is a generic of any geometric series we can use this for.